how to duplicate a sales funnel in Clickfunnels. In this very quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a sales funnel in Clickfunnels, and we'll also talk about why you would want to do that and a couple other tips and tricks. By the way, my name is the Nomad Brad. If you want to learn more about growing your business, getting more traffic, leads, sales, and building great sales funnels, then feel free to subscribe to the channel. So when you're looking to duplicate a funnel, let's just jump right into it. So you've got your funnel here. You've got copy of test funnel is the name of this beautifully named, very simple funnel. What you want to do is go over to settings and simply click this button that says clone funnel. So if you click that button, it's going to duplicate the entire sales funnel. It's going to duplicate all of the naming of all of the pages, but I'll show you in a second. You want to double check that and tweak it if you need to. So it's going to show you when it's done duplicating, and you can log in. This is copy of test funnel. Very, again, perfectly named. Now, one thing I like to do after I copy a funnel or duplicate a funnel is to just go into the settings for each page, each step of the funnel, and make sure that the naming isn't weird. It's all makes sense still, because sometimes when they get transferred over, you're using like the same name for different pages, and it gets kind of confusing. So I always just do a double check of all the individual pages by clicking on this button. Make sure the path and the name sound good. Go over to the publishing button. I don't really understand it, but for some reason these are different. And then just make sure the funnel step name makes sense and the path is good. If you don't know what all this means, then don't worry about it. But for now, but if you've built a few funnels and you're starting to understand how Clickfunnels works, then you kind of understand why you need to go through. And this is probably the most important thing to change. Is by default it's going to say copy of blah funnel. So that's going to look weird. That's going to pop up in the browser when somebody comes to that page and stuff. So you want to change that and just make sure it has, the best. Test funnel is the best funnel. The best name here. Make sure the path doesn't look goofy. Copy of test. Like change that. So all that stuff. Just make sure all that's looking good. Now, that's it. That's how you duplicate funnels in Clickfunnels. So good enough right there. But I want to show some other features, or just one other feature really, is that you can also duplicate just steps in the funnel, right? So maybe if you're watching this video, you just wanted to know how to duplicate just one page, right? So let's go to the thank you page, and I want to create another page that looks almost exactly like this, but I want it to live inside the same funnel. So how do we do that? Well, we would go down to this clone funnel step. So we're going to click on that, and that's going to create a new copy of that page or that step in the funnel. Now, there's something kind of confusing about this, which is by default, it doesn't actually add it to the funnel. It just assumes that it's going to be like, Clickfunnels kind of has like the main funnel pages, and then it has like these hidden, secret pages that are still associated with the same funnel, but they don't really show up. So it's kind of confusing. I'm not sure why they did that, but that's just the way it works. So there's other funnel steps here. Now you can see this button here is add to funnel. So what I like to do is go in and edit it, make the changes that I want to make to the page, and then to make it, its own unique page. I duplicated this step in the funnel. So let's say, I just wanted to add a new button or whatever. Click save, and then go back. Now I want, let's say I want this to be the new thank you page, or I just want it to kind of exist on the web and I want to know that it's in this funnel. Well, then all I have to do is click add to funnel, and now it's going to drop it right there. So if you already got what you came to this video to get, then, this didn't matter, but some people might not know how that works. So that's how to duplicate a funnel step. And if you want to know like some more tips and tricks and just general strategy for building great sales funnels in your business, I do have a free sales funnel course and Clickfunnels training course, just how to use it, how to get better results in your business using it. you can just check the links below for that. And if you haven't yet gotten ClickFunnels, then I would be super excited if you sign up through my trial link. You can sign up for a free 14-day trial. And if you do, I offer some special bonuses. There's a link to that below the video as well. And if you have any questions about growing your business, getting more traffic, leads, sales, and building sales funnels, then feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on another video.